Little storyteller.
Chloe bounced on her toes in the sunny yellow kitchen. A big blue bowl sat on the counter, filled with yummy light brown cake batter. It smelled sweet like vanilla and happy thoughts. Chloe reached a little finger towards the bowl. Mommy smiled. That batter looks yummy, doesn't it, Chloe? But we need to wait. It will be even more yummy when it's a cake. Chloe looked at the big silver oven. It was like a sleepy giant waiting to wake up. She wiggled her nose. Waiting was hard. Mommy gave Chloe a big hug. Let's read a book while the cake bakes. It won't be long. They sat on the soft green couch, looking at pictures of happy animals. Soon a warm and even sweeter smell filled the kitchen. The sleepy oven had woken up. Mommy pulled out a golden brown cake. It looked so soft and bouncy. They waited for the cake to cool. Then Mommy cut a big slice for Chloe. It was light and fluffy, like a cloud you could eat. Chloe took a bite. It was even better than the batter. Chloe smiled. Waiting for the cake made it taste extra yummy. Sometimes good things are worth waiting for. Just like a little seed needs time to grow into a big, beautiful flower.
Please subscribe. Thank you.